the screen record button is missing from your iPhone's control center, then simply follow these steps to bring it back. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is drag down the slider from the top right corner of your screen if you are using the newest model. But if you are using the older versions of iPhone, then you can drag down from the bottom right corner, then the control center will appear. Now once control center appears, all you have to do is long press on the empty area of the control center. Then you can see add a control option available at the bottom. Simply tap on the add a control. Then you'll be navigated to other options. From here, scroll down and look for the screen recording option. Or you can simply tap on the search address bar and search for the screen recording. Then once you look for the screen recording and you find one, then simply tap on the screen recording. Then it will be seen on your control center easily. Now that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.